Is it the right time to buy or sell NIO stock? Today, we're going to take a deep dive into NIO. We initially released a report on our website on Friday, February 9, 2024, and now we're back with an even more detailed analysis just for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on all of our latest analysis. We want to make sure you're informed about any crucial updates that could potentially impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. With this cutting-edge technology, you'll gain access to free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. It's time to tap into the power of AI and make smarter investment choices. Just a friendly reminder, this video is purely for informational purposes and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 9, 2024, our system has identified NIO as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -3.40. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a significant loss of 21.56%. To put it into perspective, this translates to an average daily loss of 0.94% since it was labeled as a sell candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a significant downward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further fall within this trend. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected change of -18.08% over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return ranging between -27.38% and 17.91%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected -14.17% change over the next year. This indicates a potential return ranging between -22.67% and 105.97%. In other words, the stock price could range from $4.59 to $12.21 after 1 year. Our latest update for NIO focuses on the stock price. On Friday, the stock closed at $5.93, marking a gain of 1.89%. During the last trading day, NIO's stock price fluctuated between a low of $5.75 and a high of $5.93, experiencing a 3.13% change. It's worth noting that the stock has fallen in 6 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a decline of -3.42% during this period. Additionally, the volume of shares traded decreased by 5 million shares on the last day, with a total of 25 million shares bought and sold for approximately $148.13 million. This decrease in volume on higher prices could be an early warning sign of potential changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of NIO's stock was $16.18, while the lowest was $5.30. Currently, the stock is trading at a price that is 63.35%, equivalent to $10.25, below its 52-week high, and 91.15%, equivalent to $61.06, below its all-time high on January 11, 2021, when it reached $66.99. Let's take a look at recent analyst ratings for NIO. On Monday, June 12, 2023, UBS gave NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, June 12, 2023, Citigroup gave NIO a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, March 14, 2023, JP Morgan gave NIO a neutral grade with a downgrade action. On Thursday, March 2, 2023, Telsey Advisory gave NIO a neutral grade with a downgrade action. On Thursday, December 29, 2022, Citigroup gave NIO a hold grade with a hold action. Analysts have provided their assessment of NIO stock, resulting in a general neutral rating. They have categorized the PE ratio as strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of strong sell. The following signals have been identified for NIO. Let's take a closer look. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, February 5, 2024. Since then, the stock has risen by 10.22%. This indicates a potential for further rise until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, it's important to note that volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This divergence between volume and price may be an early warning sign, so the stock should be closely monitored. On the negative side, some negative signals have also been issued, which may have an influence on the near short-term development. The NIO stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average, but the long-term average holds a general sell signal. As the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the stock, indicating a more negative forecast. If the stock continues to gain, it will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $7.02. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it will find support from the short-term average at $5.75. It's worth noting that a breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. So, in summary, NIO is showing mixed signals. While there are positive indicators, there are also some negative factors to consider. It's important to closely monitor the stock and take these signals into account when making investment decisions. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Let's start with the Moving Average Convergence Divergence signal, which is currently a buy signal. Next, we have the pivot signal, which indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. The Bollinger signal also gave a buy indication 36 days ago. Looking at the short-term moving average, we see a buy signal 5 days ago. However, the long-term moving average gave a sell signal 24 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages showed a buy signal 22 days ago. Now, if we shift our attention to the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average indicated a sell signal 26 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also gave a sell signal 29 days ago. However, the relation between the short and the long moving averages showed a buy signal 97 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals and information. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss for NIO. NIO has found support from accumulated volume at $5.79. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is tested. However, it's important to note that this stock exhibits high volatility, making it a high-risk investment. In fact, the Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval. Looking at the stock's performance over the last day, it had a price range of $0.180 or 3.13% between its highest and lowest points. This demonstrates its tendency for significant intraday movements. Zooming out to the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 4.41%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for NIO, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is either losing money or has negative earnings. It's not uncommon for established companies to face challenging periods, often due to external factors. However, if a company consistently maintains a negative PE ratio, it may suggest insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on March 6, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.510. It's important to keep a close watch on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we're going to analyze the potential day trading levels for NIO. If NIO continues its upward trend, it may encounter its first resistance level at $6.21. For those who don't own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering entering a position. However, if you already hold the stock, this could be an interesting level for swing trading. On the other hand, NIO faces its first support level at $5.79. Should this support level hold, it could present a favorable entry point, with the possibility of a rebound. The average rating for NIO, as per multiple analyst sources, is neutral. Let's examine some recent insider trades. On February 24, 2016, Citigroup Inc. conducted an insider sell of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. On February 23, 2016, Citigroup Inc. conducted an insider buy of 0 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. On February 24, 2015, Lam David J. conducted an insider buy of 0 shares. On September 11, 2014, Zimmerman Gifford R. conducted an insider sell of 700 shares of common stock. On March 18, 2013, Zimmerman Gifford R. conducted an insider buy of 700 shares of common stock. Based on the 47 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of 0.000. Overall, insiders have purchased 35,975 shares and sold 48,860 shares in the last 47 trades. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock and no stop loss has been set. Is NIO stock a good buy? We have analyzed NIO stock and unfortunately, we have found several negative signals indicating that it may perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock is negative. When examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, February 12th, we anticipate NIO to open down by $0.0600 and start trading at $5.87. Before we delve into the content, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. We strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the current view of this stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts and whether you agree or disagree, so don't forget to comment below. We're also curious about your target for this stock. Remember, liking and subscribing will keep you updated with our latest content. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.